This is Ambition of a Woman. Welcome. Hello everyone, I am Tanisha Moss and I am going on an entrepreneurial journey, and as I come across resources, I wanted to go ahead and share those resources with you. I come from a background of entrepreneurship being king, okay? My grandfather was an entrepreneur where he contracted with the rich on South Beach. And on South Beach, he was able to establish his business by making something out of nothing. So, with that foundation, I understood that if I wanted to establish anything, I needed to make sure I have the resources to do so. So, as I'm going on my journey, I want to go ahead and share everything that I learned with you. So, get your pen and paper because we're going to do a quick run through on the things that you're going to need to establish a successful business. All right, first and foremost, what you do know, and as you have been seeing, I am working on grants for my business. So for your business to be able to qualify to win a grant, you must make sure that you have an EIN number. That EIN number is like the Social Security to your business, okay? That's how they're going to be able to identify you. You're going to want to make sure that you have an LLC in place. Now, you may want to do an S Corp or, do other things, but an LLC is imperative, okay? Especially if you're starting out. If you're just doing a startup business, an LLC is what you want to do. That's what's going to separate you, your personal assets from your business assets. Last but not least, you must have that business account, because if you're rewarded that grant, guess what? They're going to release it in your business account, not your personal. So let's get our affairs in order so we can see each other at the bank. Okay?